is DERATHEBEE. I'm a Nigerian clothing designer. Welcome to the Hive. Tuesday. It's some minutes past 7 and I want to show you guys what I'm working on right now. Okay, before I show you guys how far I've gone, I feel like I should give you guys a bit of a backstory, okay? I didn't even know I was going to make like a jumpsuit or something. I was looking for inspiration everywhere and I stumbled upon this magazine. This particular dress in the middle caught my eye. I don't know, I just liked it. So I was like, instead of the down part to be a skirt, obviously 6 pieces skirts are not trending anymore. This is a very old magazine. So I was like, instead of a 6 pieces skirt on the lower part, how about I just make it like a trouser? So yeah, I decided to make here a trouser and just go with the top, the way the top is. So I'm going to show you that top right now. This is the top. Yeah, I'm just going to wear it so that you can see how it looks.
These were the sketches I made in 2D to help me figure out how I was going to cut the upper part.
Okay, I think I'm going to have to adjust my camera so you can see it properly. Okay, so this is what we have. It's giving. I know it's giving. It's giving. It's eating. It's giving. It's eating. It's giving. So basically, there's just going to be a trouser from here downwards. I've already made the trouser. There's no zipper yet. It's still open, as you can see. So this is the trouser. Okay. So this one is just going to start from here down. Yeah. It's gonna look something like this by the time I'm done. I can't wait to actually finish this shape. After I add the trousers, I'm going to be adding a zipper at the back. So yeah, that's how far I've gone with what I am working on right now. So I finished making the jumpsuit. I've coupled everything together. I can't wear it for you guys right now because I don't want to ruin the surprise, of course. So I'm just gonna show you the upper part and then the lower part, which is the trouser. I've not ironed it, so it's a bit of a mess. Right now, I want to make a bodysuit. The bodysuit I'm going to be wearing underneath this jumpsuit as like an inner wear. There's a little challenge. The fabric I'm supposed to use to make this jumpsuit is very little. I've not made a bodysuit before. I think I have a PDF guide on how to make a bodysuit on my phone, so I'm going to be using that to create the pattern for the bodysuit. I would have just used freehand to actually cut this bodysuit, but the fabric is not enough, so I can't even be flexible with freehand, so I have to use patterns by fire by force. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut out the patterns, show you guys, then cut out the fabric, maybe show you guys, and then piece everything together and then show you guys the results. This is the pattern for the front and this one is for the back.
The instructions in the guide I used to make the patterns weren't really clear, making the guide difficult to actually understand. So for most of the parts, while making the pattern for the bodysuit, I had to use my discretion and some of my experience as a fashion designer to come up with what I have as the patterns for the bodysuit, which I have just shown you.
So the next thing for me to do right now is to cut out the fabric, okay? So I showed you guys the fabric I intended to use. It turns out that only this one will not be enough. So I am going to have to join it with this one. Initially I wanted to use both of them, but along the line I decided to use just this one. So now I'm finding out that this one is not going to be enough, so I don't have any other choice than to use this one. I've checked it out in the mirror. I think it's going to look good. I don't know if I'm just being optimistic, but we'll see how it turns out by the time I'm done. I'm done with the bodysuit and I'm going to show you guys right now. This is the back. I think I can wear this one for you people. I mean, I refused to wear the jumpsuit when I was done because I didn't want to spoil the surprise for you people. It would be fair if I wore this one for you guys to just see how it looks on me before I actually wear the jumpsuit together with it.
I'm just now noticing the absence of darts, and because of that, I'm not feeling the snugness I'm supposed to feel normally while in a bodysuit. So I basically just went ahead to add a couple of darts both at the front and at the back of the bodysuit.
Now that that's out of the way, I just want to show you guys my new scissors. I ordered scissors from Temu. It only feels right if I do the unboxing of these scissors here. My sister ordered a bunch of stuff, so I just threw in my own so that we can just get everything together instead of me ordering separately. Okay, so my sister's stuff is inside here, so I'm just going to take out my scissors and show you guys. It's actually the first time I'm ordering anything or buying anything off Temu, so I'm really excited to see how it looks like in real life. Okay, so keep your fingers crossed for me. All right, very tiny. Jesus, this thing is so tiny. It looks so small. Anyways guys, let's open it. Hey. This thing is so tiny. Oh my god. Anyway, I don't think it's that bad. It has an edge cover. I don't know. There's this tiny little thing here. Let's take it off. I don't know. This is the scissors. Jesus Christ. So tiny. So this is my former scissors. This one has been blunt for a very long time now, and I'm definitely not supposed to be using blunt scissors to cut fabric. So this one is supposed to replace it. It's very light. Only 3 fingers can enter inside. The last finger would literally just be struggling to like enter. With this one, it enters very easily. I like the color. I like the fact that it's gold, giving yellow, my brand color. But the size, I don't know. I think I should have gone for the medium size. I think this is the smallest one. I would like to test out how sharp this scissors is. I can really get used to that. What is left for me to do now is to actually wear the whole outfit and make a video, both for YouTube here and also for IG. But the thing is, my hair, I don't know what to do with my hair, to be very frank. I was thinking about like making bantu knots for the sake of modeling this dress, or just styling my hair, maybe like packing it up into 2 or something. I don't know, but whichever one I decide, you're gonna know in the next clip. Okay guys, so this is the final look of the outfit on me. What do you think? I think it's cute.
I think the outfit is really cute. I feel very confident in it. Another thing I love about this outfit is the fact that I haven't seen anyone else wearing something similar, so I'll definitely draw attention when I step out in this. Please remember to subscribe if you haven't yet, like and leave a comment. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!